It's really surprising that Kali can go from looking like this to looking like an actual Windows. This is so cool. Getting your Kali to look like this is so easy to achieve, and in this video I'll be showing you how to do just that. I have a little tip towards the end of this video, so if you want to learn how to use your Kali from your Windows terminal, then you're welcome to stay to the end. Immediately you put on your Kali, just right in your desktop, you can go to this Kali icon, click on it and type undercover. If you can recall, I said this was so easy to do. Well, here's the thing. This is so easy to achieve. Once you just type this, the only thing you need to do is to click on it. As simple as that. Let the beauty shine. This is still amazing, though I've seen it a couple of times, but for Kali to achieve this kind of layout, this kind of display, it's simply amazing. I'm going to leave the adventurous parts of all of this to you. So dive in, do whatever you want, and maybe tell me about it in the comments. Tell me how it works, if it's better, if it feels better, and all the good stuffs. As for the tip I promised, let's dive right into it. Alright. There are a number of ways through which you can access your Kali Linux from your Windows terminal, but for today I'm going to be showing you how to do it through the protocol SSH, which is Secure Shell in long form. And because Secure Shell is a service running in Kali Linux, it must be enabled for us to have a remote connection to it from our Windows terminal. So the command to enable SSH in our Kali Linux is system control enable SSH. And once you've enabled SSH, you can then start the service. Us to confirm that it has started working, would need to check the status. So you can do systemctl status ssh.service. And as you can see, it is running. We're going to Ctrl C out of this. Now that we've got this, we have to check for our IP address because it is what we're going to use for a remote connection. And here is our IP address, 192.168.60.142. So on Windows, we're going to open up CMD. And just to make sure that our Windows have SSH installed in it, we're going to type SSH and check. Yeah. Now for the connection, we would need a username to connect back to, and of course an IP address. So I'm going to write SSH Kali at my Kali's IP address, and it's going to ask for a password. Of course, I'm going to input my password and enter. Boom. As you can see, we have our Kali terminal right in our Windows, and we can also elevate to root. We'll have here, and boom. And the best thing is it recalls every command that we did. So if I try to do systemctl status ssh.service, so it's like accessing your Kali from the Windows terminal. Very cool and very easy. I hope you learned something, and if you did, a subscribe to the channel will be wonderful. You can like the video and drop a comment on what you think. Thank you for watching. Be blessed.